Welcome to our exploration of the accelerated, expanding universe, where we delve into the mysteries of dark energy and the fate of the cosmos. The central question we face is whether the universe's expansion is slowing down or speeding up. After the Big Bang, expansion began, and gravity from matter should naturally slow it down, leading to an expectation of a decelerating universe. But what is actually happening? Gravity plays a crucial role in the universe. Matter produces gravitational attraction, causing galaxies to pull on each other. Over time, this should slow the expansion, much like a ball thrown upward slows due to gravity. Before observations, scientists considered two possibilities: a decelerating universe, where expansion slows and may eventually stop, or a constant expansion at a steady rate. These were the expected models. Acceleration in cosmic terms means that not only are distances increasing, but the rate of increase itself is accelerating. This means galaxies are moving apart faster with time. To test the behavior of cosmic expansion, we need to measure distances and velocities, particularly through redshift, to compare past and present expansion rates. Standard candles, objects with known intrinsic brightness, allow us to calculate distances in the universe. By comparing measured and intrinsic brightness, we can understand cosmic expansion. Type Ia supernovae, with their fixed luminosity, act as reliable cosmic distance markers. They are ideal for probing the distant universe and understanding its expansion. A key observation is that distant supernovae appear dimmer than expected, indicating they are farther away than predicted. This suggests the universe has expanded more than anticipated. The big conclusion is that the universe's expansion is not slowing down. It is speeding up, something that is overcoming gravity, and we call this mysterious force dark energy. Why is the universe's expansion accelerating? Dark energy, an unknown force, is behind this acceleration. While we don't know how it works or what it is, we know it exists. Observations of distant supernovae show the universe's expansion is accelerating, driven by the mysterious dark energy. It remains one of the greatest cosmic mysteries, as the universe expands faster and the cause is unknown.